anyways, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys got a chance to check out these two videos, the V part no leave out or V part U part crochet unit, say that 3 times, okay? If you guys got a chance to see those installs, you guys are probably curious on, like, Chrissy, how the heck do I remove this? So let me make this really, really simple. If you are wearing curly hair, you could completely drench your hair. I mean, spray it down with water, detangle it. Y'all, literally, you should be able to pull the hair directly off, because at that point, the curly hair is super wet, silky, and should just slide on out. But let me just show you what I mean really quickly. And if for any reason that method does not work, I have my #1 go-to foolproof method to remove this, which I'm also going to show you as well. So step 1, if you already have the hair pretty much damp from this point, just imagine we're working with curly hair. Even with the straight hair, you should literally be able to just undo what you did. So it can kind of get messy in this way, just because you're trying to, like, oh, how do I pull this out? But you guys can see it's literally gonna slip right up underneath your braid again. And I'm not doing this in any particular way. I'm just finding the area that the loop is. And once I feel for that loop, I can literally just slide it out. And when I say slide it out, y'all, you can see I'm like tugging a little bit. So this is not, I can imagine like doing this with curly hair and see how we can get like, Chrissy, what is going on? How do I get this out? Like if you get stuck like this, more than likely I've double knotted this. So of course it's in that space of like, girl, I don't know which way you want me to go. Stop, do not pass go, do not cut the hair out. All you do, go ahead and remove the clips that are already preset, unclip them. Which if you were kind of annoyed with the tension and you did go ahead and already unclip them, and only thing that's really holding this is this area, even better. Go ahead and flip the cap up. Flip it up. Just like this. So now I am left with nothing but cap. That's it. All I want to do is access my braids, which I've already found in my bobby pin. Let me take that out. All right, so we have the loose braid. Now, because this can be a lot of tension, go ahead and pin it up, because you don't want it just dangling all over the place. You have your braid, remove the braid. And it's actually time for me to wash my hair anyway, so this is perfect. Gives me the perfect excuse to get rid of all of my braids. Y'all can see that wasn't really sturdy. So I'm just gonna keep taking out the braid. Now when I get to the area where the crochet meets, this is gonna be the best part, because all that you're gonna do is continue taking out that braid. Literally, just like this. Use your fingers. Continue to remove the braid. You shouldn't be yanking. Don't yank at it. Your braid is going to come out naturally. This is the hair. This is my hair. And as I unloop my hair, the braid is going to just come out. And if the hair was wet, this would work even better, just simply because it's wet at that point. But even towards the front. So like now I'm left with literally just the front pieces. And in this area, we have a little tangle. So you want to just take your time. And it looks messy. It really does. But there's no tension. It's not hurting me in any way. That's it. We're not losing no hair. It's still hanging on over here. But I'm holding it because we don't want to have it pulling at our hair. Oof, that itch. Okay. And it's out. Completely out. Haven't lost any hair. We still have the hair on the wig. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna clip this to my head just because I don't want that tension of it just like pulling. I'm gonna take out the other one. And just keep on going. And as you pull your braid out, let me unclip that so we can see it. As you pull your braid out, it's naturally gonna disconnect from the hair. So keep just finding your strand. If you feel that it gets a little tangled, slow down to slowly release the hair. Right up in here, like, it's like, what's going on? This is really just the weave tangled upon itself. There we go. Same thing here. Boom. Wig out. We still have our braids, which I need to remove all of these to wash my hair to prep for some boho knotless, okay? And then we have the wig here. And you're able to literally reuse the wig. So I'm seeing like a little tangle. Brushed it out. And voila. I can wash this, allow it to air dry. I'll be able to reuse it with no problem. Y'all gonna be looking crazy in the name of I'm here to help you, okay? That's it. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave any comments or questions down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. And y'all know I will see you in the next one. Bye, babies.